In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate a professional headshot in Artistly AI. Once you're logged into Artistly AI, go to your dashboard and look for the AI image generation and click on it. Next, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the type of professional headshot you want. For best results, be specific. For example, you can type something like professional corporate headshot, clean background, studio lighting, sharp focus, business attire. After entering your prompt, select your preferred style or model settings if available. You may also be able to choose aspect ratio or quality settings depending on the options in your interface. Once everything is set, click the Generate button and wait a few seconds while Artistly AI creates your headshots. When the results appear, you can review the images, choose your favorite one, and download it directly to your device. If needed, you can tweak your prompt and regenerate for better results. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.